Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to write a product description on Gumroad. So actually guys, first you will need to open your products editor, and before you will need to log into your Gumroad account. Then just go with products option that's located at the left hand menu, click it, and here you are between two choices. Whether you want to go with new products, the option at the top right corner, or to edit an existing one. So for example, I will go with an existing one, and right here you will have the description as the second blank or the second option to fill in. So this is where you will write the sales copy that convince people to buy. So actually guys, you will need to start with a strong hook that will grab the attention immediately. So for example, you can go with want to learn graphic design without wasting months on random tutorials, for example. Okay, that's a good hook. And after that, you will need to explain the problem, so show that you understand your customers. So you can go with most beginners struggle because they don't know where to start or what tools to use. Okay, then a point. And then present your products as the solution. So you can go with this complete beginner friendly course walks you step by. Okay, so friendly course struggle, right, walks you step by step through, right, everything you need to know. So that's a huge product presentation as a solution. Okay, then just clearly list what's included. Okay, so you can go with 10 HD videos, for example, videos or video lessons. Also, we have 5 practice projects, downloadable templates, lifetime access, etc. So people love clear value. And once finished, you will need just to go with save and continue and then publish. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.